Okay, Google, stop. Welcome to How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about this Mi Home smart speaker, that how you can reset this device easily if it has any problem or it's not connecting to your Google Mini Home or I mean Google Home app, or it's not working properly or any error or there, then how you can reset this speaker and how you have to do and what you have to do. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this, and watch the video till the end and learn how to reset Mi smart speaker. For reset this device, we have to just press and hold the plus and minus buttons for few almost about 10 seconds, and after that it will reset. Then how you have to do and what we have to do and what command will it give you before resetting, just check out.
You're about to completely reset this device. To cancel, release the button.
Device is reset now. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.